Hare Krishna. Welcome to the introductory speech for this Chakrabja Mandala. Sri Madhu Muni, in his great work, Sauromula work, Tantra Sara Sangraha, directed his disciples to worship the Supreme Lord Sri Vishnu by placing in the center of Chakrabja Mandala. Sri Madhu Muni has about 37 to 40 works. These works are called as Sarvamoola Granthas. The main purpose of these Sarvamoola Granthas is to declare the world is real, the Supreme Brahman is real, there are infinite number of real souls, and the souls has to come here as a human being in the Bharatakhanda, perform their deeds as laid down by the scriptures, and get elevated to the Tridhamas, the moksha, the final abode, without sorrow, with full blissful body. In his Tantra Sara Sangraha, he directed all the disciples to worship the Lord daily by placing him in the center of the Chakrabja Mandala. Then definitely curiosity arises, what is Chakrabja Mandala, how it is, how to see it, how to feel it, and how to perform the Lord's pujas in placing in the Chakrabja Mandala, as well as placing the Lord in our Hridaya Mantapa, and we have to in mentally how to know what is Chakrabja Mandala is there for our meditation purpose, dhyana purpose. So this shows the significance of the Chakrabja Mandala. Supreme Brahman, the Narayana, is residing within the Sun God as Lord Surya Narayana and also as Lord Savitru. He is called as Savitru Namaka Paramatma. The Supreme Lord Brahman is staying within the Sun God. Sri Madhu Muni refers the Supreme Narayana as Gruni as well. So, the Supreme Lord is only giving energy to everything which is available in the world. Now, for our solar system, in which our Bhumi, our Earth is there, for our solar system, total energy is coming from the Sun God. So, within the Sun God, Lord Sri Narayana is there. So, he is called as Surya Narayana. He is giving energy to the Sun God, in turn directing Sun God to give that energy, vital energy, solar energy, everything to all the mankind, to all the living beings, and to all the solar system. So he is called as Savitru Namaka Paramatma. And here Sri Madhu Muni refers in this case, in this Chakrabja Mandala case, as Supreme Narayana, as Gruni. So Gruni means the kind-hearted. Because he is Gruni, he has created the universe. Because of his kindness, Supreme Lord's kindness, he created the universe for the purpose of this lives, living beings to elevate themselves, to do the deeds, to karmas, and get the Tridhamas. Because he is Gruni, he is residing within the Sun God and energizes him. Because he is Gruni, he is within the lotus heart, Hridaya Kamala of every soul, and as Bimba Rupi, and energizes them. So he is energizing the souls also. Supreme Lord Gruni is also with mighty form called as Vishwarupi, Virat Rupi. With Gruni, Surya Narayana form, he energizes the solar system, including our Earth. Whereas with Virat Rupa, with Vishwarupa, he energizes entire universe of billions of galaxies. How many galaxies are there? Billions of galaxies are there. So that also being energized by the Vishwarupa or Virat Rupa of Lord Narayana. Sri Vijayadasaru, in Haridasa Chatushtayaru, Purandara Vijayadasaru, Gopal Dasaru, and Jagannath Dasaru, these four dasas are called as Haridasa Chatushtayaru. So after Purandara Dasa, next Vijayadasa has come. Sri Vijayadasaru has elaborately explained the Chakrabja Mandala. What this Madhu Muni has told about this Chakrabja Mandala is Pujyascha Bhagavan Nityam Chakrabjadika Mandale in his Tantrasara Sangraha. That much he has given the information. So that same information is elaborated by Vijayadasaru. The Chakrabja Mandala, circular lotus wheel, in his detailed work Kankanakara Suladi. It is a Suladi is one type of form of dasa, this work. It is one form of work called as Suladi. It is some big works. So many Suladis he has created. In that Kankanakara Suladi is one Suladi in the Kannada language. He detailed everything, elaborated about the Chakrabja Mandala, the circular lotus wheel. The Chakrabja Mandala is explained in different Valayas, parts, for understanding purposes. We will study Sri Vijayadasara Kankanakara Suladi in detail in subsequent classes. So one thing you have to see, the Supreme Lord Narayana has created the world, very big world, the universe, Brahmanda, with 10 layers. The 10th layer is Swarna Brahmanda. Within that Brahmanda, Swarna Brahmanda, 14 lokas are there. Within that 14 lokas, this our Bhuloka is there. There also the sun god is there. And that sun god is energizing is all the Bhuloka and some other parts, as per our scriptures. Even if we take as per the scientific view, that our soul, for our total solar system, who is energizing? The sun god only. He is energizing sun god. So whatever it may be, either from the scientific point of view or from our scriptures point of view, it is one and the same. The methods are different. Understanding methods are different. We will study it in the subsequent classes. Hare Srinivasa, Hare Krishna.